televidente bombinina o tradição de timeout. Agora em timeout nós um grande ordem quando nós nos corredor de distância larga nos nos Iron Lady de distância larga, Lana Gobert, com quem nós vamos conversar agora em timeout. Nós vamos em timeout cortica sem que nós vem back, nós estamos conversando com Lana Gobert. Televidente, danke para que estão conosco. Com Lana Gobert, nos lady, nos Iron Lady de distância larga aqui na Aruba. Lana, good afternoon.
Yes, hello.
It's nice to see you, Lana. I was following you on the social media. You had an injury. Tell us how that happened and what was the injury?
I think last year I did so much and I didn't take enough rest to begin the training. But I was so eager to start the training for Tokyo Marathon that's right here on March 3rd that I started training, started the marathon training cycle once again. And everything was going fine for the 3 to 4 weeks. And then finally I had pain in my foot. I think it's plantar fasciitis. And I didn't stop training. I did a few more hard trainings. And, the body is not forgiving. If you're not respecting your body, it breaks.
Yes.
And so finally I was forced to slow down.
Plantar fasciitis. Does it mean
Yeah.
plantar, right? Plantar fasciitis. You
Yeah.
get it with too much overtraining.
It's exactly the biggest. The cause is overtraining. Yes, and the only cure is rest. Imagine.
Wow. Not Lana resting? I have to see
Yes,
that. I have
very
to see that.
hard.
I know that. I know that. You love running. Look, the method to avoid this is not to overdo.
Yes, so you have to take care. You have to. You can do different things. You can swim. You can still bike, or you can do strength training. You can keep up your condition, but you should stay away from your foot, the
What,
one that hurts.
what were the first symptoms you got from this plantar fasciitis?
Um, First, the bottom of my foot was hurting, and the thing is, when the bottom of your foot hurts, you start you start landing differently, and therefore you start pulling your other muscles, like on your calf and even my hamstring. So,
Oh,
like after a couple runs, my knee started hurting, and then my hamstring started hurting, and then it got impossible to move with any speed.
so you were obliged to stop the training and start a healing process. In that healing process, how far are you now?
I think I'm well into it, and this week I've been training hard. I put some long runs in, some good trainings because marathon is coming up, and I need my aerobic base to finish the distance with a nice result too. So I'm massaging, I'm using the heat, I'm using the ice, doing all the things that I can help.
And you feeling better?
Yes, I'm able to run, and I was doing like this week. I did some speed work, and I can feel that I can keep going.
Okay.
I'm still taking it very carefully, though.
What's the distance you're running right now?
Well, on Wednesday I ran 20 kilometers, and yesterday I ran 18.
Wow.
Yes, and tomorrow I will be running 26. So some distance.
Lana, you're a super lady, man. Let me tell you that. When do you think your healing will be completed?
Oh, unfortunately, I don't know. I think I'll have to live with it and just, be careful about it and just recover better. After, like, even with your training, you can train and you can compete, but maybe I'll have to do less and I have to take a little more time to recover during the sessions.
But right now, let me say, at what stage are you now? 20, 50, 60, 70, 80%?
I think 70 would be fair.
Okay, so you have enough time
but
to be Sorry?
I'm just being optimistic. I don't want to tell you that, oh, no, I feel bad. I want to tell you that I feel good, though I do not.
Okay. Televidente, la casa de Mount Cortica, Sinigelo Siberg, nos Timasco, Lana Gobert, nos Iron Lady in long distance.
Welcome to Holland. Welcome to the country of the world's most famous cows. This is where your Frisian flag milk comes from. Taste our nature at its best. Frisian flag. Discover the goodness of milk from Holland.
Televidente, danke por estar con nosotros. Nosotros con Lana Gobert, nos campeón de distancia larga aqui na Aruba. Nos Iron Lady, la cabe hace hay una lesión, ahora que nadie tiene parecimento, ahora comienza a correr back, preparando para March 3rd, right? You told me.
Yeah.
How far are you, how far are you now in this race, preparing for March 3rd?
Right now, I think I can do close to 3 hours as I did my previous marathons. Unfortunately, I wouldn't be able to do, I guess, my super best because of this injury. It took some time away from my preparation.
Yes.
But I will do my best. I will try my best.
Look, we don't doubt you will do your best because that iron heart, that lion heart you have inside of you, it will push you to the edges. Could this injury, I think you said it already, have been avoided?
I think so, yes. If I actually took a nice vacation time after the Ironman in Hawaii, If I did that, then probably yes.
So
you have to take time off. You have to get off your feet.
So what you're telling me, your itinerary for 2024 will be different than 2023.
Yes, so far I did not schedule anything besides 2 major marathons, the Tokyo one and the Paris marathon in August. the
Oh.
one during Olympic Games.
Oh, you're in there too.
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. That's
So
nice.
that's on goals. No Ironman or anything this year. So yet.
So, hearing from you, you're an optimistic lady. Then I must tell you that. Do you think you will be ready for March 3 and August for August in Paris?
For March 3, I think we are. It's almost like a bet. Or it will be like a test. It will be a test for real. Uh, how can I do it? How fast can I do it? We'll see. I'm very optimistic. I've been, even though I've been injured, I've been putting some training in last 2 weeks, and I think I can do good. And then for August, I have some time. But it's April, March, June, July. It's 4 months.
Yes, yes, you still have time for
I
that. But,
can get
but,
there strong.
oh, okay. See, is the pain still there?
Sometimes after I finish running like more than 90 minutes, I can feel it sometimes.
What?
And when you had an injury, you tend to listen to your body a little more. And every little tweak, you worry, what was that? What was that? And it's a work in progress, every step.
Oh, that is nice. So you're really, I can say enjoying, but really focusing much more on your development, especially looking at this injury.
Definitely, definitely. I'm taking it, I guess, more microscopic and more careful. And
Look,
we'll see.
you know why I'm asking all these questions? Because people think injury, it will come to go away. No, it's not true. You gotta work it out,
Oh,
out of it.
exactly. And the injury can heal, but it's also psychological, right?
Yes.
Because you've been hurt, and you know that um, the work that you're putting, and can you push harder or not? Like, will you get another injury or not? And it's very psychological to be able to push and not to be scared of that injury. It's a it's a process.
Lana, I'm going to get in contact with you before March 3 and before August because I'm really interested to see. Look, humanly, we know what has to be done. So you have to do
Hmm.
A, B, C, D to reach
Yeah.
E. You know what I mean? So
You-
let's see for March 3rd, and after March 3rd, I want to talk with you once more because it's interesting to see because I think you have a super body.
I'm working on it.
Wow, wow. Televidente, wow. Lana, thank you very much. It was very nice to have you today. I hope that everybody that hear this program take care of themselves when they feel any kind of injury because you are the best and you feel you are injured right now, but you are in the way of healing, and that's very, very important. Televidente che gran onorawe, den timeout, nos Iron Lady den distancia largo. Lana Gobert, numero 1 de distancia largo. Lana, all the best for March 3rd. We will be with you.